What's up, guys? This is Elvo, and today, since I'm in Houston, what's up, guys? This is Elvo. Welcome back to my channel. What's up, Sprite fam? Welcome back to another day. Now, my favorite. Oh, I know y'all see it right there. Welcome back to Elvo's Creation. I'm Elvo, and today I was thinking about making something different. I was just thinking about how when we go to bars and different restaurants that most of our drinks are jam-packed with sugar. And that ain't fair to our people that are pre-diabetic and diabetic. So how about we make a drink for them? So I know Diabetes Awareness Month is in November, but we're gonna jump a little ahead so y'all can have something to drink when y'all wanna go out. Let's get it started. So as y'all can tell, I'm gonna show y'all a different variety of drinks in different stages, as simple as you can get when you go to a bar, you're about to do a Crown and Coke or Sprite and Crown or something like that. We're going to make 3 simple drinks. As you can see, we got Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar, Strawberry and Creamy. This is really good. As you know, A&W Root Beer, Zero Sugar, and Sprite Zero Sugar. There are 4 liquors that are zero sugar or do not have no sugar in there, which are rum, which is this one right here, gin, vodka, and tequila. So right now, I'm gonna show you the rum version, simple things. But before we get started, let's get some ice and cups. And there we go. So how I like my liquors, so I'll usually go start, or when I start, I'll start with my liquor first, then I measure out how much flavoring or drinks I want. So let's start with the simple first drink. Malibu Rum, which is gonna be in all of them, but my favorite, Zero Sugar, Dr. Pepper, Strawberry and Cream. Like I said, I like to start with my liquor first, then I adjust to how much I need of this other flavoring. So just pour it to your liking. I think that's my liking. I ain't diluted with sugar a lot. Fresh. And I think that is. I don't have a stirrer, so just a simple thing you can order from a Dr. Pepper and rum. Zero, see if they got zero sugar or something. Something simple. Let's taste it out. Oh yeah, I think I need more rum in there. This right here overpowers it. You taste the strawberry and the cream. It's like one of them Lifesaver creamsicles. If you ever had one of them, that's what it tastes like. This is really good. Well, let's get this out the way. Now we got this one. So I already got ahead of myself. I already poured some in here. So now we just gotta add Sprite or lemon lime soda. But remember, it is zero sugar Sprite. So everything fresh, never been used before. So Sprite, I don't know how this tastes. So hopefully this is good. It tastes like more like a 7-Up, but it's zero sugar and they balance out real well. I think any clear liquor will get you right, but this rum is quite popular and it's not too harsh. So this right here, I can see myself ordering this. Something with a zero sugar and rum. So let's go ahead and make the 3rd variation of this. So now this is the 3rd variation of just a simple cocktail that you can order, or if you're at a bar or a restaurant. Zero sugar, any kind of flavoring soda, and just any of the 4 liquors that you include: rum, vodka, gin, and tequila. So like I say, all these 3 drinks we just recently made is using rum. So all the 3 drinks currently that you see on the screen, we're using rum. So now let's go for our 3rd drink, which is A&W Root Beer Zero Sugar. I did not know they made this because I was always drinking A&W is one of the best root beers. I think I should just do a video over the best root beers. Got A&W and Bart's. see who's better. But for this video, we're worrying about zero sugar drinks. A&W got our ice already. Let's go ahead and pour up some more rum. Remember, rum do not have zero sugar in there. Get the plain original rum. Do not get flavored rum, then that's when the sugars get added. Get original rum, no flavoring. And like I said, I don't know how this tastes either, but it got the same consistency of that Dr. Pepper, so. Oh, this is my favorite. This tastes like root beer. You wouldn't even tell if there's no sugar in here. Oh yeah, this is my favorite right here. I'm gonna bring back the drinks. Y'all comment below and let me know which drink that y'all think would be the best for you all. If y'all like it, try it, put it in the comments below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Now I brought back all three of the drinks. As you can tell, I use something simple. Like I said, when you go in there, you can be simple. Order something simple. If you don't like it neat, want a little flavor in it, you got zero sugar Dr. Pepper, zero sugar Sprite, and zero sugar A&W root beer. As you can see, and I use rum vodka, which is zero sugar as well. I just want to make everything across the board zero sugar.